DV and welcome to the channel. I hope the lighting is good and so far it looks good. So what today's topic we're going to talk about is actually BMW CCA. I actually joined BMW CCA and which actually means BMW Car Club of America, and I will also tell you guys why you should join as well. Alright, so why you should join BMW CCA? Well, actually, let's forget that I said that. First, I joined BMW CCA. It's only cost me $48 for the year. There's several packages you can buy. You can buy either for a couple years or you buy it once, whatever. I think it's $1,000 and you never need to renew it. But so yeah, I've been enjoying it. I went to my first BMW CCA meet. A lot of good BMW enthusiasts there. Saw a wide variety range of BMWs at the BMW dealer. So it was in Columbia, South Carolina. They had a separate area to park where you can where it's like a regular cars and coffee meet, except it's for BMWs only. This time they invited anybody who was not a BMW CCA member as well, because you could join right there on the spot. So I joined CCA, BMW CCA, and so far I'm enjoying it. I wish I could record the meet, but I didn't. I was kind of lazy that day. I just wanted to enjoy myself instead of recording it and posting it on YouTube. But the next one that comes up, I will record it. Now, these are what the membership cards look like. So you get those in the mail once you join. You also get a decal, usually a decal to join. You also, if you want, you can order a badge to put in the front or the rear of your car. Now, why you should join? Here's a few reasons. If you have a BMW, I recommend joining. You know why? Because first of all, you get discounts on service at BMWs, you get discounts on parts, and you get discounts at M-Day events, everything like that. So you get to go to BMW meets, you get to go to M-Days at a track, where you can go to the M2, M3, M5, you can drive all those cars. You also, I heard that you get to drive in vehicles that other consumers have not even got into yet. So, for example, M5 that just came out, BMW CCA members get to drive that first before anybody who doesn't have a membership at BMW CCA can drive it. You also get discounts at hotels, on special events, VIP, basically everything. So you're like a VIP right away, pretty much. I mean, not technically, but yeah, you are. Discounts in restaurants, I believe. Discount on service, on parts. You'll save a whole lot of money by becoming a BMW CCA member. Especially if you have 2 or 3 cars. I'm not kidding. If you have 2 or 3 BMWs, there's one that's your daily driver. You need an oil change all the time, and you don't have time to do it yourself. You take it to the BMW dealership. Service for a lot less than a different customer. Second, you get parts discounted. You get other supplies discounted. Hotels discounted. You get to go to meets. There's some other like driving events with just only BMWs. It's a great experience. I recommend getting it. You'll save money in the long run, especially on service and parts when you need it. Oh yeah, so I joined BMW CCA member. BMW CCA, and I like it. I recommend, if you have a BMW, to join as well. Alright, thank you for watching the video. There's going to be a link in the description of joining BMW CCA. Also, when you do join, here is my referring number, and refer me. You get points also by referring other people. So if you do join, use this and let them know that I referred you guys to BMW CCA. Yeah, so there'll be a link in the description below to join BMW CCA. Also, check out the links below. Follow me on Instagram at Boost King Central. Everything will be down below as well. Also, follow me, support me on Patreon. Now, there's some things where I post for everyone to see, but if you become a Patreon, there'll be some exclusive footage of maybe behind the scenes or basically my blog. So only patrons can see it, and that's how you support me. It's only $5 a month, and you can go ahead and support me on Patreon. Well, and that's it. Until next time.